Mesa College, I knew had a great program from word of mouth, and I was pleasantly surprised with how impactful the program was in my life, just self-confidence in general, and really educating me in the pathway towards my goals. So our program is really great. It's hands-on. We have amazing instructors, and it's going to really set you up in the field to network, get yourself known, get hands-on experience. And I actually just got a job offer yesterday.
Everything, but mostly patience, and that you're going to struggle, and things that you really want to do are hard, but it's always going to be worth it.
Professors at Mesa College are just really involved. They're mostly working professionals, so they actually have experience in the field, which is really helpful. And they can give a perspective that I think is really needed in this field because it's so hands-on. You learn so much once you're out of it. But they taught us some really great technology, AutoCAD, SketchUp, Revit, Podium, and I've used everything in the field so far, and they've been really great with that.
I realized that in my free time, what I was really doing was, web development and computer coding, and that's like really what my passion was. So I just started applying to jobs like out of undergrad, and I found like the big problem I was having was that a lot of jobs are looking for somebody with a degree in web development. So I found the program at Mesa, and it looked like a good 2-year program, to finally get something on my portfolio and have something to show for the skills that I have.
This program, the education I received here, has allowed me to evolve my idea of training and my idea of health, and use that confidence to pass that knowledge on to my clients and people that I'm training with. It's really given me the ability to understand the way the body works and the reason why behind some of the things that I'm doing in training.
The professors here are amazing. So they are always available by email, in person, office hours. Any kind of question that I've had, whether it's about what we're learning that day, about the program, or about life outside of here in general and my future and my career, they've been available to me.
This program has been a huge help for me going forward. I've actually had several opportunities for internships that could lead into jobs, and I've had to actually make the decision of choosing which one I'm going to go with. So doors have been opening, that I've been able to use this knowledge to increase my own client caseload for my independent training that I do, and it's been a huge help to me.
I'm excited about this career because I get to work with patients, I get to work with doctors, nurses, up in the OR, and I get to do a variety of different jobs in radiology. That aha moment for me was I wanted that career where you get to interact with the patient but also work with technology.
We get to be in a site for 2 years. They keep telling us it's almost like a 2-year interview, doing our internship, and the whole staff in the hospital. They get to see our work ethic, and they get to know us as a person, and if they like what they see, usually they do like to offer us jobs.
I'm so thankful for all the professors here. They have so much experience. I've actually worked with 2 of my professors at the hospital, and there's always that textbook information that you can read, but the experience and the tips, the real life tips that they give you is just invaluable.
This career has so many other opportunities, so once you get into diagnostic x-ray, the doors are open for other types of improvements in your career, like MRI, CT scan, ultrasound.
Hi, I'm Monica Romero, Associate Dean of Career Technical Education here at Mesa College, and we welcome you to all the career education possibilities that we offer. With a certificate or an associate's degree in as little as 18 months to 2 years, you can be out in the workforce in fields like culinary arts, fashion, business, architecture, allied health, animal health technology, and many more. Offering over 30 different career education pathways, you can find the right fit for you and start earning your potential in the community. We welcome you to Mesa College and hope through our work-based learning activities such as internships, field trips, and meeting with employers, you'll be able to get out into the workforce and meet your needs. Welcome to Mesa College.